Okay, so now comes a tip that most people don't actually use that much, and you're gonna be grateful for this. So let's open up settings, and from here, just scroll down, and so you guys see Control Center. Go right into Control Center, and then hit Customize Controls, and we're gonna add in something you're gonna use a lot. It's down here below. It says Low Power Mode. Let's just tap on the plus sign. There's other stuff that we can add right now. However, that's the one that I want to show you because that's the best one you guys can have. So we're just gonna scroll up, I'm gonna go like this, go back, and I want to show you what we just did. So I'm gonna just close this just to show you. Now, if you swipe from the side, you will get one more thing in this. You will see this battery right here. Tap on that battery, and this is low power mode. Continue on. So if your phone's running really low in battery, or maybe you're 50%, you want to save that battery, then you would turn on low power mode just by doing this right now. Okay? If you guys want to go back to regular mode, do that. And low power mode does a lot of stuff that I showed in one of my videos of how to conserve your battery. So it does it for you. It just adjusts some settings on your phone in order to conserve that battery, and it will no longer waste the battery like it's doing all the time by refreshing and doing a bunch of things in the background. So that's a really good tip for you guys to have always accessibility, quick accessibility to that. There's other ways to turn it on, by the way. So if you go into settings, under your settings, if you scroll down, you will see battery. Under battery, you can turn on low power mode. However, going to settings and doing this all the time, it's kind of annoying. It's way faster if we can just slide and turn it on and turn it off. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.